Hey guys, welcome back to another video with V-La-Nessa. Now today is a J1 video, so if you are a J1 student or you know anyone that is going on the J1 program, or somebody's contemplating, or somebody just want to know some answers or some information, direct them to this channel. Right, I see a lot of newcomers and I just want to welcome you on my channel, and feel free to drop a comment if you have any queries, any concern, any information that you want to pass on. Please just hit me up in the comments down below. You can also contact me on Instagram, or even some numbers that I placed in the description box down below. You can message me and I will reply as soon as possible. Now, before I get into the video, I just want you all, if you have not yet subscribed, to subscribe to my channel. If you have not liked this video, just leave a comment, let me know how I've helped you thus far. Let others know about your journey as it relates to J1, or if I've helped you, let them know, say me help you. You understand? Alright, so guys, the first thing that I want to talk about is that registration is open. It has been open for about 2 months now. I know I should have updated you 2 months ago, but it's been all open from around August. From around August, the last part of July, and that is so not like the J1 program. Normally the season open in August to apply, but because of the whole backlog and the whole heap confusion that is going on, I guess a lot of sponsors and agencies agree to make this open so that you have enough time to get all the documents that you may need and get your visa appointment early. Because guys, if you've been on this journey for the past 2 years with Corona, you know it's not easy, right? So I guess they have given us some extra month just to prepare so that everything can go smoothly, and I doubt it's going to be that smooth anyway. Some people will get it smoother, some people may not, right? Because we all don't have control of everything that's going on in the world today as it relates to Corona or any other breakouts and so forth. So for all who have not yet started to register, please go ahead and register now, because from last year they still have person in backlog, and I'm assuming that they're going to clear out those person and then attack those new person this season. So don't wait until last minute. If you see the video here, just go register if you want to be a part of the 2022 program. Don't wait until October. It is October now. But don't wait until it's too late. Normally the cutoff period for registration is in January, so you still have a lot of time to go and register, right? Now, that's one aspect. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is the visa. We all know that the next available appointment date is in 2023, which is so far, that's for like regular visa, B2 visas and so forth. If you go and apply for a visa right now as a J1, you wouldn't even see any date available for now anyway. You would see like for 2023. But what they did in this year, they every now and then they open the portal so that you can grab a date. So for those persons who had applied for a visa in the earlier part of the year and did not get to go on the program, what you can do is try to stretch it over until next year. So try to get a date in like May, when you know that you'll need the date to leave. So don't cancel your visa date, or try not to get, you cannot get a refund anyway, but try to put that date in May if you have already had an appointment date set, and you have, because you have up to 5 try to change the date. So if you have not maxed that out, try to push it further so that when the time comes, you will be prepared. Now, for those who have not yet gotten a visa date, or you're still in the process before getting a visa date, just know that every now and then the portal will open. Whenever you go and apply for that visa, the portal will, well, let's assume that the portal will be open for J1s like what they did. So don't just sit there, and if they give you a far date, like say September, like the last season, which was ridiculous, doesn't make any sense. Just try to get your login, try, whoever is helping you, try to be, just try to be there so that you can grab a date that is most suitable for you, or that is early for you to leave, and not to waste all of those months just watching the portal or watching whoever is going away or whatever. Yeah. Another thing is that the H-2B program is also available if you have already left school, you're in your final year, not in your final year, but you already went on your final year and you left school and you want to be a part of the H-2B program. There's a lot of agencies that is recruiting people to go on the program. Is not so much as J1, because right now they're really taking person that's already have experience in the H2B field, which it's a give and take when it comes down to J1. So I think you should still try, because you already have experience working in America, right? So I think they will consider you if you go. So go ahead and apply. If you're no longer eligible to apply for a J1 visa, the H2B program is normally 6 months to 9, so you get a longer time to work. They normally cover all expenses like your plane fare, your program fee, and all those stuff. So it is at little to no cost. It's not like the J1 where you have to pay like $1,600 US and then find your plane fare and then pocket money and all those stuff. So it's a very good program to be a part of, and you get a longer period to work, right? And it is somewhat easy to apply for, but not a lot of person make it known to those. So if you want more information on that, please let me know and I'll give you the information. And yeah, another thing is that they're trying to mandate vaccination. So if you are planning to go to the United States to work or lecture or anything, just know that you might have to be vaccinated. They're debating about it, especially for those who go up and work, because not everybody wants to take the vaccine. But hey, we know say work hard for get, and everybody wants to go foreign, and we know that they'll get the amount of vaccinated person that they want to work. So just put it in the back of their mind, say, yo, you have to get vaccinated if you want to go foreign. You understand? So I am not 100% sure where they're at now, but I think that's something for you to consider, okay? Another thing that I want to talk about is the stimulus check. There's a lot of person that went on a travel program and I'm wondering if they're eligible. I've talked about this in details in this video, so you can go and watch it. So for the most part, you are entitled to your stimulus check once you go over and work between 2018 to 2019, 2020, there about 2021, you're eligible for the stimulus check. A lot of person have only received the first stimulus check. A lot of person have not received any. A lot of person only receive, a portion of their stimulus check, maybe 1 or 2, and still waiting on the third one. But if you have not received any, or if you just received your first stimulus check, you can contact that link down below so that they can file for your stimulus check. The cost of that is $50, and there's a lengthy period to wait. Let me tell you, there are persons that have been filed for from February who just have received the stimulus check. So just know, say if somebody filed for you and you're not going to get it in the next 2 weeks, you're not going to get it in the next month, it's going to take some time, but I suggest that you file for it now, just in case another stimulus check come out and you won't be all the way to the back, you understand? And a lot of person need to update their portal or their information with IRS. So it's best to claim your stimulus checks. Alright, so the link is down below, so you can go on that link down below, that tax link down below, and when you're ready to claim your taxes also, you can use that same link, the numbers, everything. Just contact the person. $50 across the board. If you're claiming someone, it's going to be a little bit extra. If your H2B is going to be a little bit more because it requires more work, okay? But it is legit. They've been around for some years now, so go ahead and contact the person down below and claim your stimulus check, and then when January come around, claim your taxes. I have a video on that, like for everything that I'm talking about, right? For every like small areas, every topic that I'm touching right now, there are already videos out there. So you're gonna see a card come, I think it's this side. It's gonna be a card come to the side. So if you see it pop up and you want more information, just click it and go and watch it and then come back to the video. You understand? Now, another thing that I want to talk about is that yes, you go away and you work one bag of money. Some, for the most, they work a lot of money. Some probably waste it, some probably just break even. No, I don't suggest that you only make money and probably save and buy all the nice things that you want. If you want to maximize your money, please to consider investing. Now, if I knew what I know now, when I just started work and travel in my first and second year, I would already invested in a lot of company or in a lot of things, right? But it's never too late to invest, especially now that the market is down. This is the best time for you to invest, especially in stocks, and I'm going to leave the link down below to Robinhood for those who have them social security number that went on the J1 program, H2B, or even if you don't go on a program and you have a social security number and you want to invest in some stocks, please click the link down below and go and invest. You can start off with as low as $1, literally, and there are stocks there that cost a couple cents, and in 10 years you're surprised you may get all 100,000 US dollars. So just go and buy some stock, invest in some. I'm not just going to say just buy them blindly. Just do your research, and if you want more information on that, I can give you more information. As I said, cards may pop up every now and then. Just check them out. Every topic that I talk about, you'll see a card. Just go check them out, okay? And another thing that I want to talk about is you try to invest in the Forex market. I know it's a gamble, right? But it's very good if you know the techniques and know strategies and so forth. And I'm going to leave the link to my Forex affiliate link, and it's not going to cost you anything. All you need to do is just sign up and just start to trade with your own money. You see a lot of person introducing Forex to you guys, and they're telling you that you need to do this and you need to do that and you need to pay how much money. No, I'm here giving it to you for free. So just click on the link down below, sign up, and if you're a Jamaican and you want to know how can you open a US account in Jamaica, let me know and I'll do a video on that. And there are some information that I cannot tell over the camera. Like, so for instance, if you're not working and you don't have a business and you want to open an account, I can give you tips how to open an account without all of that, right? And if you click on the link, and I know that you click on the link and I can see that it is you, your name, that you're under me, then I can give you all of the backdoor deals, all of the secrets, everything, So guys, invest. Registration now is open. Just go back and watch all the videos. This is all that I have for you, and I'll catch you in the next video. So if you have any information, if you have any queries, any questions, just hit me up in the comments down below. You can always go and follow me on V-La-Nessa at Instagram and message me there. A lot of person message me, a lot of person call me, a lot of person voice note me, and I respond to them. So that's all I have for today. I hope that this season will be the best season of your life. And So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first one to know. Bye.